Okay, so the first thing that you must do is go to the website itself though. So the website is called Widescreen. So it's the widescreen tool, right? So after going to the widescreen tool, you have to click obviously here, and then it gives you a range of selections to choose on the color of your screen. If you want your screen to be black, you can make it all black and put it in full screen mode so that it appears black to anyone who's watching. And the most interesting part that I want to go to is this part where you can fake Windows installation. You can even make a laptop that runs on Windows look like it's running on Mac OS. For example, I can zoom in and it looks like I'm defaulting or installing Mac OS on my PC and it's using Windows. And you can even play around with it and go here when it's faking as if it's installing Ubuntu in this case, as you can see. So you can even go to the point of, let's say for example, I go to Windows 10, I'm installing Windows 10. It even asks you the time that you want the installation to take place and when you want the installation to take place. So let's say we start the installation at 0, okay? And then we go in. And one thing I like about this website is not just a picture. It's not a picture at all. The installation actually happens. It actually takes time and it happens for real. So I think this is a very, very good website to play around with. I won't lie. So as you can see, the installation is currently at 0%, but I'll speed up the process so that it goes more, so that we see what happens. So this is pretty interesting. It's very interesting. So as you can see, now it's on 1% and it clearly shows that it runs. So for the next 45 minutes it will be taking from 0 to 100%. So wow, I'm pretty impressed. I'm very impressed. So I just wanted to see what happens. Let me just say 1 minute here and see something. I just want to see what happens when the installation actually, the fake installation actually takes place. So this website actually takes the definition of fake it till you make it to another level. Like the whole concept of installing macOS, fake installing macOS on a laptop is truly amazing. So let's see what happens. So you can play around with this website all that you want. And yeah, so I just want to see what happens when you finish the installation process. So it just starts at 100% complete, but it's still very convincing. And another thing that I saw and that I really liked is this one. It's hacker type. You can actually go into your laptop. Let's enlarge this for a second. So each and every key that you press on your laptop or PC, it actually types on something, well, regardless of the gibberish that you're typing. Just put it like this, and whatever gibberish that I'm typing into the laptop, it will actually write some kind of a code, some kind of a hacker or something. So watch this. So for example, I can just randomly press on the keys, but it actually is typing on something. So you can actually make people believe that you're a hacker with this tool. You can just play around with it. Look at that. So this tool is actually cool. You can play around with it. So tell me what you think about the tool. Visit it and see how much you can play around with it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and mostly comment what you have done so far with this tool, because it's very interesting, to be honest.